Tracking weapons is one of the many uses of Enasys asset tracking as a way to lower risks. Enrolling assets with Enasys is easy. Affix an RFID tag to an asset, scan the tag, and double-click the tag to confirm the tag association. Assets can have multiple tags linked to them if the need exists. It's important to use the proper tag for tracking assets. Tags vary based on asset material and function. Adding epoxy will strengthen the tag bond, and proper tag placement will ensure optimal tag operations. Enasys supports RFID and barcode tags for tracking critical assets. Assets can be entered into Enasys manually or uploaded via a spreadsheet. Continue the tag enrollment process as required. Selected assets can be inventoried. Selections can be done at any level of the asset hierarchy. In this example, the asset hierarchy is expanded to display the progress. As assets are scanned, the list becomes smaller. When the list is empty, you're done. The Found tab shows assets that were scanned, and historical data is stored for tracking an asset's lifecycle.